Hey guys, welcome back to Tools on a Budget. Today I have a cool little tool for you guys. This was sent to me over by Alloyman. It is a 6-inch mini chainsaw. Alloyman sells a lot of tools on Amazon. They have cool little like impact wrenches, little ratchets. Everything they sell is at a pretty good affordable price. This tool is $79. I think they have like a $20 coupon, so it comes out to like $59, 50, $60. And you do get like a 2-battery chainsaw tool. Keep in mind, just because I got this for free doesn't mean I'm gonna give it a biased review. I'm gonna be honest with you guys and tell you guys what I actually think about the tool. Has a 1-year warranty, which is pretty nice. Usually everything on Amazon has just a 30-day warranty. They claim it's industrial. 20-volt lithium-ion batteries. Let's see what else is on here. Not too much info. It says 26.24 feet per second, 3,600 to 4,400 RPM. It does say 2 batteries included. Let's go ahead and open it. So let's go ahead and open the box. This is my first time seeing it, guys. The blow mold case does say Alloyman 20-volt professional tools. So you do get a instruction manual, the few little showing you guys how to use the chainsaw. If you guys haven't used one before, make sure you look at the manual. You don't want to be cutting your fingers off. You got 2 little gloves. Although using during a chainsaw, this would probably get more in the way. Comes with a charger, just a generic charger, nothing fancy. Most of the Amazon tools come with like similar chargers. You get a 1/4-inch mini saw chain. Now I don't know what comes in it. I don't know if it's just a spare or a different size. Let me see. It looks like it's just a spare, so you can have 2 in case this one gets dull. Glasses, I would use these. You do get 2 batteries. Looks like a Makita clone. Let's check it out. Yeah, just your regular Makita clone type battery. Does have a gauge. Oh, fully charged. Check this one. Oops. Cool. So let's go ahead and put it in. And now, does this take oil? Probably not. I mean, let's check it out. So I do get the smell of brushes. So this is brushed. Yeah, guys, let's go outside and let's go start trimming some stuff. See what I can do with it. Let's go have some fun. All right, so let's go ahead and start cutting. See what. Cool. Honestly, it's pretty good, bro. Seems like a pretty decent tool. Let me see what else I can cut over here. I don't want to cut too short. It's my shade. Pretty effortless. It's pretty good. Let's try something else. All right, so I have this 2x4. Let's see how it does. Grab something to hold it. All right, let's try again. So there you guys go. It's a pretty good little tool. I don't have too much experience using these, so make sure you leave in the comments if you want to see me use it to cut anything. What do you guys use these type of tools to cut? Make sure you leave that in the comments as well, so I get a better idea. It's a pretty cool little tool. It did cut the branches very effortlessly. This is my first one this small, so I do have Alloyman to thank. Thank you guys for sending this tool out for review. See, it seems like a pretty good little tool. It ate through that 2x4 like pretty easily. I was pretty surprised. I didn't know it was gonna have that much power for being so small. Overall, good little tool. Longevity wise, I'm not sure. I'd have to use it and keep using it and let you guys know. But they do offer the 1-year warranty, which is kind of a reassuring little, kind of like something to back you up in case it breaks. They are offering the 1-year warranty. And you are buying these through Amazon. So like I said, the tool itself with everything included is $79, but they have a $20 off coupon right now, so it comes out to like 60 something after tax, and shipping should be free. It's a cool little tool. Like I said, Alloyman did send this out for review, so I want to thank them out one more time. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think of this little tool? You guys think it's decent? You guys probably know better than me. You guys probably see, if you're watching this review, you've probably seen a few of these chainsaw reviews. To me, it feels like a solid little tool. But like I said, I don't have too much experience with this. If you guys want to see me cut something, I'll make more videos with this. I'll be sure to make more videos if you guys want to see me try it on different type of materials or stuff. I just figure most people that buy these are gonna cut wood, right? I don't know. Remember, guys, if you guys like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Leave a comment, hit the thumbs up, and stay tuned. I have a few more videos for you guys, and have a great day. Thank you.